In order to escape the growing legal scrutiny against Israeli soldiers, its military has now come up with new media engagement rules. This comes after a court in Brazil initiated a probe into allegations of war crimes by a visiting Israeli soldier. Similar cases have also been filed in Brazil, Sri Lanka, Ireland, Belgium, the Netherlands, Serbia, Ireland, and Cyprus. Most of these cases stem from a pro-Palestinian NGO, the Hind Rajab Foundation. Such actions have drawn attention to Israel's conduct during the Gaza war, with calls for international investigation increasing day by day. In response to this legal pressure, Israel's military has introduced new protocols designed to hide the identities of its personnel in the media. These rules apply to both active duty soldiers and reservists, particularly those involved in combat zones. Under the new guidelines, soldiers' faces must be obscured during media appearances and only their first initials can be used. Those with foreign citizenships, even in non-combat roles, must also adhere to these restrictions. Further, before going to any media engagement, officers will be briefed by members of the Military Advocate General's Department of International Law. But a major challenge remains. IDF has done little to curb soldiers from posting information about operations on social media. And it is often these videos that human rights groups often use against the soldiers. Although no arrests or trials have taken place so far, activists are increasingly targeting not only senior officers, but also ordinary soldiers who have served in Gaza. So now the question is, how can Israel balance its security interest with the rising calls for accountability and international law? Bureau Report, India Today Global.